Welcome. In this video, we will see how to do the conditional formatting in your selected data range and even setting new rules for highlighting specific values with a different color. So in order to do it, you need to first select the data range which you want to conditionally format. Then go to the Home tab, Conditional Formatting, Color Scales. From color scales, select whichever combination you like. I select the first one. It will by default conditionally format my data range, and I can see that I am not clear of this data range, and I want to create my own rules for specifically highlighting some specific values. So I need to set my own rules here, and first let me clear this rule first, and go to the Home tab and Conditional Formatting again and select New Rules. From New Rules, you will see Format Style. Here is a 2 color scale style, but I want 3 color scale style, and you can see there is minimum, midpoint and maximum as well. I will select these to be numbers since I am working with numbers. You can select the type which you want, and I want to specify the value 2000 or near 2000 to red. So I will give it as a midpoint, and I'll give this as red color since I want to see this value as red, and I will give the minimum value to 1995. This will narrow the margin, and below the 1995 all the values will show yellow since I have selected yellow, and after 2000 let's give it as range. I will select as type as 2005. This will give a range. Since the range is very small, it will only specify the 2000, or if these values are available, the minimum and max, they will be also shown in the data range. And I will keep a green for the maximum value and click OK. So here you can see that it has only specified the value 2000. There isn't any value as 1995 and 2005, so it is only selecting 2000. So this is how you can dynamically specify or highlight your value in a data range. If this value changes dynamically, it will automatically conditionally format and highlight your specified cell which you want to see. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you have learned something new. Please subscribe to my channel, and hopefully we will see in the next exciting video. Thank you.